scrappers, this is Megan and I am back today with my October scrapbooking store kit. So the infamous pink package arrived today at my house, and I think it's the 27th. September 27th, maybe it's the 28th. I don't remember. Anyway, I'm super excited that I got my kit a couple days early, and so I immediately decided I was going to do the kit share and get a layout done so that I could get this up, because last month I did my layout and a kit share and I never posted the layout. And so this month I'm actually gonna post it. So I wanted to make sure I got this kit share done quickly so that I could use the kit when I had a moment. But if you don't know, which I don't know how you wouldn't know, my name is Megan or Meggy, and my Instagram is Crafty Meggy, and my Facebook is Meggy Paulos. So if you're interested in finding me on social media besides YouTube, follow the links that are down below in the description. This is the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club that I'm going to be sharing with you today, and I am on their design team. Okay, so first up, I will show you the paper kit. So since I'm on their design team, I do get the main kit as well as the embellishment kit. This month, we are using Halloween Junkie from Photoplay, and I'm super excited. I don't use a lot of Photoplay collections, and so this one was super exciting to get in the mail. And oftentimes as a design team member, I don't even know what the new month's kit is going to be until I get it in the mail. So I was really excited to get this kit today. So we are just going to jump right in. Okay, so this first paper looks like a bunch of different sized cut aparts, and this one is called Frightfully Fabulous. And this side is a cute little black and white cobweb design. Oh, and it looks like we have 2 of each paper this month, so that is really nice when we get 2 of each paper. So then I don't have to choose which background I want to use more. This one is called Halloween Party. I really love the layered effect on the paper, so that's really fun. So it's called Halloween Party. And on this side, it looks like we have some print along with a cobweb and floral design. So that is super cute. I like both of those pieces of paper. Okay, then we've got Pumpkin Patch, which obviously is pumpkins on a vine. Super, super fun. Ooh, and I kind of like that, like, pieced together paperwork we've got going on there. So that's really fun. Then we've got October Moon. So we have some more cut aparts, and these are a lot of different sizes. We've got some tags here that'll be really easy to cut and to add to the embellishments. Then we've got this spider orange background paper. Super duper cute. I love it. Okay, then we've got this nice little kind of cityscape village vibe going on here. And this one just says trick or treat, boo, spooky vibes, a launch. I think it says a launch of Hocus Pocus. I don't know. I think that's what it says. And then we've got tags and borders. So those are nice to have extras of those to add to the embellishments. Super fun. And that one was actually called Haunted Mansion. I forgot to show you guys that. This would be a lot of good paper to use for like an October daily album if you're going to be doing that. I don't think I'm going to be. I'm not really into the whole October daily scene, but I know some people are. Ooh, I really love this paper. It's like you don't even really need to do a whole ton of embellishing because it's already done for you. So that's kind of nice. You all know me. I am more of a paper person than embellishing person. And this paper is called Boneyard. And that was the last paper. And then we have the sticker sheet, element stickers. And again, the kit is called Halloween Junkie. That is a really cute name for a collection too. And we've got a lot of stickers that go along with the papers. So that is really, really exciting. Okay. So now that we're done with the main kit, I am going to show you the embellishments. And I'm really excited about this, mainly because we got some mixed media in this month's kit. Isn't that exciting? So this is Tim Holtz Distress Mica Stain, which I have never used this kind of spray before. So I might have to do some research. But it does look like it teaches you how to use it on here, so that's helpful. But this is called Hocus Pocus, which of course purple is always a fun color to use for October, right? And Halloween. Okay, then I'll show you. We are going to be using a couple of embellishment sheets from Cartabella. And the collection is just Halloween. Really super simple. So we got the frames and tags. It is 34 die cut cardstock pieces. So I will just put all of these out real quick and kind of show you what we're using this month. I love themey scrapbooking. Like, I don't always, but I'm kind of feeling the Halloween vibes this year, and I'm excited about being able to jump into this kit. So this is a lot of fun. Okay, so here we go. Do, 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 do. Okay. So these are all cute and fun, Halloween themed. And who doesn't love Halloween, right? Right. Okay. And then we have also the Cartabella Paper Company chipboard accents for the Halloween collection as well. So I will just take a minute and pull these all off. Really should have done this before, but I didn't. So you guys get to watch me do it. Yay. Super exciting stuff going on here at Crafty Meggy. Crafty Meggy Co. And yes, I am dancing, wagging my little butt. And my wife is laughing at me. If my dogs were awake, they would probably be shaking their heads at me too. How was your day today? I hope that you had a great day. And if you are not already a member of the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club, make sure to use my link below. And I do get a little kickback from that, and I appreciate anybody that is able to make a purchase with my link. It just kind of helps me make teeny tiny little bit extra, which is always nice in today's world, right? Okay, almost there. So I do have a question for you guys. I wonder, when you guys buy chipboard collections and stuff like that, do you keep the outline pieces to use as like a pop-up for your embellishments and things, or like your photos? I tend to keep them, but I don't always use them that way. But that's always what I try to do, because I don't always have fun foam. And so I don't know who gave me the idea to use chipboard, but I mean, it's kind of genius, right? Because it also creates dimension. Oh my goodness, that one did not want to come out. And you already bought the supply, right? Why waste it? Why not use it? You're welcome for this useless information tip hotline. I don't know what I'm saying. It's fine. I crack myself up. It's amazing. Okay, we did it. I did it. You guys did nothing. Thanks. Oh my God. I think I might be a little bit tired. It's fine. Totally fine. Okay, it's Sunday. I have to prepare myself to go back to work tomorrow. But I'm actually going to a fun place tomorrow, so I'm kind of a little excited, if you can ever be excited about going to work. Okay. There we go. Those are all of the embellishments from the kit. And then, like I already showed you, we have this really pretty purple. Ooh, look at that. It's like magnetic. Is that what that's called? Glittery? Metallic. Thank you. I don't know why I couldn't think of metallic, but I don't know if you guys can even really see that. But yeah, it's a pretty little metallic color. Maybe I will spray. Let's see if I can find a sheet of paper. Maybe not. I did just have a bunch of paper sitting here. Where is my journal? I don't know. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Oh my God, everything's gonna start falling. Anyway, I will just quickly open this and spray for you guys, so you can see how exciting this, oh my God, they always make these so hard to get into. Like, why? If somebody wants to really steal it, just let them have the consequences. Okay. Why punish the people buying the products? Okay. Anyway. You're welcome for all this amazing Meggy commentary. I don't know. I am in a weird mood tonight. Okay. There we go. Let's find the trash can. Whoops. Stuff is falling. It's very exciting around here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Now I can't open it. Okay. So we are just gonna spray, maybe. Ooh, look at that. That is really pretty purple. I am super excited about this purple color. I wonder what it will look like when it dries. Ooh, you can kind of see, I don't know what I did differently with this spray, but it's like already dried. Okay, I don't have any paper towels or anything with me right here, but I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute and I'll show you a picture at the end. But this is the kit for October for the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club. So make sure, like I said before, you use my link and you come on over to the website, and also for members we have a Facebook group. So I will leave all of those links down below, and I hope that you enjoyed today's fun and super exciting video. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.